Hi, today I would like to share with you these dining chairs that are made out of solid oak. They have the crossback design that you can see there. These are created in the Farmhouse design. I like these chairs. They're very sturdy. Show you a couple of other features here. I really like, you can kind of see here, it has like a little indentation, the way your body would fit into it. You can see the nice wood grain, nice finish on it. When you order these, it comes with all the hardware and tools that are required. The only tool that you actually really need is a Allen wrench. Get in there and see. And it comes with that. One of the things that I really like here, it has this little cross brace here. And then these two bolts that go in, they're really big. So this makes it real nice and sturdy. We've had these for many years now. It's not something that I just got and unboxed. We've been using these and they've served us really good. They're really great, nice sturdy chairs. So if you're looking for a nice solid farmhouse design, real wood, this particular case, oak, nice and strong, dining chairs, I highly recommend these. Good choice.